Only $2 for that vegan, vegetarian, nut-free, gluten-friendly sandwich? Damn, that's good. That's great, man.
I need my double from Tim Hortons.
No, my sandwich! Sauce is gonna spill my cake! No! No! No, no! You fam! No! What do you mean? Damn! I won't get all my carbs in! Yo! I'm in a sticky situation! Yo! That was a good sandwich, man. What's good, guys? It's your boy Ken. It's Brosefiles. We back, and you know what? I messed up on accident. I'm just gonna let Jan take over.
Oh, dude, you messed up on accident? Yo, you hit the good bomb, dude. Yeah. Yo. Why your sandwich has so much sauce, though, dude?
These sneakers just got roughed up, and because you guys have been asking over and over and over,
what they asking?
Yo, I don't know if you guys saw it, but if you guys did, which most likely you guys have because it's popping, we have almost 50K views. A lot of you guys have been asking, does this work on black sneakers?
Dude, does it work though?
We're gonna show you if it works on black sneakers as well.
Oh yeah, dude, this is a great video. Well, how many steps are there to this vid, dude?
Bro,
yeah.
There's like 2, potentially 3.
That's reaching, dude.
But before we get into this, man, like this video right down there. If you guys
yeah.
haven't, subscribe right down there.
Oh yeah.
Hey, man.
Hit that notification bell.
Yeah. We love you guys, man. You guys have been giving us so much support.
Yeah.
First off, we have some black sneakers here. It's a mess, man. I'd say that's a mess. So as you can see, there's a bunch of excess sauce in there. You know, if you have a lot of sauce, mud, dirt, whatever it may be, just get some paper towels. We're gonna be wiping off everything we can, all the excess dirt, debris, whatever it may be. You know what I'm saying? Yo, I'm a rapper, Justin Bieber. That's the first step. We're gonna need some Jason Mark. This one's empty. Here's a full one. Or you could get some Crep Protect, Rejuvenator, your local no-name brand for Superstore. And we're gonna be cleaning off as much as we can. You know, it doesn't have to be super down to the detail, but we just gotta clean up as much of the stains with a brush. Last but not least, you're gonna need some Tide Pods. These babies here, they work, man. But you're gonna be throwing this in the laundry just like you would a t-shirt, and these guys, I swear, man, they're gonna be working miracles. Just get a couple. Yo, Jan, where?
Don't eat Tide Pods.
Alright, guys, so this is what we're gonna do, man. We gotta get some water.
Where are your girls, though?
Oh, yeah. Alright, ladies, just gotta hide you guys. I don't want you guys to get dirty here. I'll open it up again. Don't worry, girls. Oh, you're just gonna get dirty. Yeah, what the f? Alright, guys, so first things first, let's just remove the laces here, alright?
Oh, that's my first time seeing this.
Don't breathe this.
Oh, yeah.
No!
You put me in such an uncomfortable situation.
I wasn't even cleaning it, though. Yeah, how to clean your shirt, though? You like, 2 videos in one. Y'all are lucky.
While we're gonna be working on the shoes, we're gonna have these laces.
Yeah.
I eat cereal with cold water. I just want to soak them in water so that way, like, nothing hardens in it. You know, just like leather in there, dude. Yeah, you want leather there, dude?
Yeah, done, dude.
Now, when it comes to the sneakers, they're lost in a sauce.
Yo, they're
man.
quite sauce, dude.
Just gonna wipe it off, man.
Woo.
Now, keep in mind, we got some. Yo, what are these, dude?
Dude, I don't even. Dude. That's like
So, now that we wiped off a lot of the excess sauce, now it comes to scrubbing, dude. Step 2. Before we get to scrubbing, just want to let you guys know that we have a hard bristle brush, which is what we used here because these are just some,
some beaters.
if you guys have some delicate materials like prime knit, line knit, we would suggest getting this horsehair bristle brush.
dude, where can they get it though?
Dude, this one's Jason Mark. We're not sponsored, but we could be. If you guys want to get them, we'll link them down in the description below. You could also probably find some at Walmart or something. I don't know, man. Yo, you know your city better than we do.
Dude, you're really scrubbing in there, dude.
Yo, I got a good pump, dude. Call me Lil Pump.
Lil Pump?
Gucci gang, Gucci gang, Gucci gang.
You scared me.
It's a lot cleaner than before. A lot of it is off. Anyway, so it's time to put these guys in a wash. If you guys have some insoles, try to take them out first if they're removable, right? So, you guys might be wondering, you know, we're doing this with the black sneakers, right? Yo, does this work with colors? Yo, will it work on my Yeezys? Yo, hard facts, B. So what we're gonna do is do it on these black ones, show you at the end of the video if they do work.
Dude, would you say it's like a concern, dude?
Do it at your own risk.
Dude, is this gonna work on like that? Oh, dude, yeah. on that new buck and stuff like that, dude.
You're like, yo, I'm nubuck and
Yeah,
suede.
yeah.
This guy's water. There's good water.
Oh, dude, there's just like another Thursday, dude.
Oh, no!
Oh, Dad.
You see the suede and nubuck in contact with the water. When you leave it to dry, it will just freeze up. You won't get that nice buttery suede anymore, man. So keep that away.
Show me the way.
Alright, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna put them in the bag. We're gonna make sure they're nice and snug. If you have your insoles, put them in here. Also put the shoelaces in here.
Where can I get these shoe bags, dude?
Dude, Dollarama, man.
Oh, word?
Now we're just gonna tie this in a knot.
Oh, yeah, dude.
That way they just stay secure. They won't juggle in the bag, you know.
How tight you going for here, dude?
I can't get it, man.
Oh, shit. Yo, this is actually tight as fuck, dude.
Alright, package is secured. Toss them here in the laundry machine. And we're just gonna toss in a couple of Tide Pods here. Yeah.
What settings do you want to put it on, dude?
I consider this delicate, so I don't want my sneakers to fray. They'll be slow, cold.
There we go, that's good.
And now we wait.
Oh.
Just me here, guys. Jan just dipped. He had to go home. He had some homework. He had to do some things. All good, man. Looks like they're done.
Taylor about the fucking flex.
If you guys like that video, make sure to hit that like button right down there. If you guys didn't, then we'll just screw ourselves in, I guess, eh? I'm in a sticky situation. Yo! That was a good sandwich, man.
I got OPA in my motherfucking vein, yo. I got Oka played in my motherfucking head, yo. And my enemies, then they gon' bleed to death, yo. Wrist underwater and my chain on some 7, yo. Now I'm gonna catch honey killing myself. Let me know whatever my